There's a rhythm in the way you breathe beside me, not loud enough to claim the air, but it steadies all the drifting parts inside me, like something always waiting there. No promises carved into forever, no need to name what we became, just a quiet thread we pull together, unseen but never frayed. You don't reach to pull me any closer, still I never feel alone. In the silence, something growing slower finds a place to call its own. Not a fire that burns for attention, not a spark that fades away, more like light without direction. Still it finds me anyway, and I don't need a reason I can prove. It's enough to feel it move. I'm held without edges, no start, no end, no words trying harder to make it make sense. It stays in the spaces we don't defend, a soft kind of truth I don't have to pretend. Every time the world turns unfamiliar and I lose what I can't hold, there's a trace of something gentler in the things we never told. Not a rescue, not a shelter, still it carries me through, like a shape I can remember even when I'm not with you. And I don't need to chase what doesn't leave, it's already here with me. I'm held without edges, it bends but won't break, no fear of it fading with each breath I take. It lives in the moments we don't try to make, a quiet kind of promise we never have to say. When everything we know dissolves to nothing, and every name we gave it disappears, still something stays without becoming anything shaped by all our fears. It doesn't ask to be remembered, doesn't fade when we let go. Somewhere deeper than forever, it's the only thing I know. Still held without edges, beyond what we planned, no need for a future we don't understand. It rests in the touch that never demands a truth you can feel but can't hold in your hands. I'm held without edges, it's already mine, no measure of distance, no line after line. It stays even when we're out of time, a love that was never designed to be defined. tied my laces, one loop then two. Laughed when I fell, then carried me through. The scent of sawdust, your calloused hands, taught me to build without demands. Now I watch small fingers reach for mine. He stumbles forward, same crooked line. The echoes linger in the quiet hall. Your voice still answers when I call. And I didn't know then what I was holding, a weightless gift, unspoken, golden. Love isn't loud, it's passed down slow through things we do, not things we show. In bedtime songs, in broken toys, in whispered pride, in silent joys, and I carry it now without a sound. This love you gave, so safe, so round. You never said much, but you were there, in coffee steam and the kitchen chair. You fixed my bike, then stood aside, let me fall just enough to find my stride. And I see it now in a smaller face, the same wild grin, the same quiet grace. Love doesn't shout, it settles in through scraped up knees and crooked grins, in Sunday walks, in waiting late, in letting go, yet holding faith. I pass it on like you showed me how. This quiet truth we're sharing now. Time doesn't ask for grand displays, it just remembers softest ways. The pat on back, the patient breath, the things that echo after death. Love isn't new, it's always been, in worn out shoes and stubborn skin. It bends, not breaks, it speaks then fades, but leaves behind the light it made. And I walk with it in every vow. This sacred thread you wove somehow. Now I become the one you were, and in my arms I see the blur of everything you used to be, alive again inside of me. So I pass it on with trembling hands. The love we built still gently stands. colors on the sidewalks fade, like all the plans I meant to make. Another calendar page turns slow. I'm holding on but I don't quite know if I'm the one I wanted to be, or just a shadow trailing me. My coffee's getting cold again. I overthink what might have been, but in the quiet I hear a spark, a little glow beneath the dark, a promise whispering through the air that maybe I'm still getting there. And I feel the weight of what I missed, but something tells me I can live with this. So I'll breathe in what's left of the fading year, every doubt, every hope that brought me here. If the past slips away, then let it go. I'm learning slow, 'cause a trembling heart can still be brave even when it breaks. The nights are growing soft and long, but I keep humming half-made songs. I'm standing on the edge of change. It feels familiar yet so strange. Still there's a pull I can't deny, like something brighter wants to rise. And though I fear the things I can't see, I feel a newer version waking in me. So I'll hold what remains of this fading year, all the cracks, all the laughter, all the fear. If the past drifts away, then let it be. I'm finally free, 'cause a trembling heart can start again even when it bends. Maybe all the time I thought I lost, let me hear no matter what the cost. And if tomorrow calls my name, I'll run to it without the shame. So I'll reach for the end of this fading year, where the hopes I'd buried reappear. Let the past fall away like scattered rain. I'll rise again, 'cause a trembling heart can learn to soar, even wanting more. Yeah, I'll step through the end of this fading year with the voice that's stronger than my fear. Let the past fade out, let new light in. I'll begin, 'cause a trembling heart can find its light and finally shine bright.